Good morning, everybody. It's January 19th, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index has remained at 24, frozen in a state of extreme fear. Bitcoin dominance is at 40.2%. Up above our 40% benchmark. Allows us to sleep a little easier, I suppose. 24-hour volumes at 80 billion, and the overall market cap is 1.95 trillion. Give or take 100 million. We find ourselves at an interesting crossroads in the market. We all know that the legacy zombie market still take its toll on the crypto markets. Whether we like it or want to admit it, we are still under their financial fiscal thumb and are victims to their financial nincompoopery. Being in crypto, and maybe this is one of the reasons you made it here in the first place, is the looming collapse of the legacy zombie markets. If there's ever been a better example of bearish divergence in the entire history of the financial system, it is now, not only with the U.S. stock market, but every financial market in the world. Price action going up and to the right forever, while every single indicator, both technical and fundamental, are cliff diving down. Millions of people unemployed, millions of people quitting their jobs. Stock market goes up and to the right. Inflation crushing the working people's purchasing power, while food shelves go empty. Stock market up and to the right. Government distortions leading to malinvestments, and she's a perfect storm brewing. Now, are we about to see this perfect storm today? I hope not. With the recent sell-offs yesterday, today's open of the legacy zombie market should be interesting, to say the least. I don't think I've ever anticipated a market open the way I'm anticipating this one. I even got up an entire hour earlier just to make sure I got this video out before she opens. Something quite encouraging, however, that in the face of the stock market sell-offs, Bitcoin has stayed rather resilient. She even had a little pump yesterday for another wave smacked her down. We can see on the 4-hour chart we're testing our friendly support of 41.5. We managed to rally past the 20 moving average and Pinto tinged the 50 at 42.7. Before the smackdown and subsequent bearish engulfing candle, which was confined by the second red candle, falling past our friendly support of 41.5. We've managed to hold and come back. This is all in the face of the market sell-off. And so to the bulls, I give you a head nod. Good job. They face quite the onslaught of bearish pressure and are putting up a good fight. Now the zombie market could open green and will probably remain channeled for a little bit longer. But if she opens red with more sell-offs, I think the weight of that bearish momentum, globally speaking, could rattle the crypto markets, to say the least. I'm of the humble opinion that a massive sell-off could be the first step in decoupling of the zombie markets, as Bitcoin would be the first to recover, as old dumb money gets a crash course on sound money. We'll see a flood of capital back into the crypto market, so some short-term gain for some real long-term gain. We're right in the center of the dance floor time-wise as far as big moves play out. I had the 18th pegged as the day, but she's not a perfect science or a crystal ball. And at the end of the day, I always hope I'm wrong, and this is all just cold calculations. But if we do see bearish pressure, we'll have a pretty good fight down at 39.7. But I wouldn't be surprised to see a wick down to 38, just to really rattle the market. The global markets are like a fire drill at elementary school. They're going to happen because they're planned to happen. Everyone leaves the school, but the first kids back will be the crypto kids. Alas, she can open green, and the Fed's financial soma will runneth over and medicate itself just enough to kick that can down the street. So I'm gonna have my coffee ready and my eyes glueth to my phone. When the market's open, leave a cup of coffee emoji in the comments if you are too. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's a long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic